Michael, let's tell people about the inner circle.
Yes, let's do that.
Okay, we've been so excited about it. You've been working diligently on this for months and months. I don't know if you all know how much Michael's been working on this. This has been his full-time job for at least 6 months. Like, he's determined to put all of my work and then some on this portal so that you have access to me and my body of work, and that you have access to the both of us and the work we've created together. Yeah?
Yeah,
How's that?
it's been exciting.
Yeah.
It's been a lot of fun. It's been a lot of cataloging, and I could get into the tech of it, but I think what's more
Don't get
important
into the tech of
is
it.
to tell everybody that we have assembled your body of work, and this goes back 25 plus years, and you have made a difference in the world. Your life has made a difference in the world.
That's good. I hope it continues to make a difference in the world, because I'm not going anywhere.
That's right, absolutely.
All right, so there's my films, Tantric Tourist, Beyond Dinner, and the Big T, Testosterone, Blessing or Curse. Plus there's Bliss, which was it used to be a video that I gave out at my Bliss Beginner's Tantra course, and now it's called Bliss Redux. And it's the video that I made in 2004, but it's me giving commentary on it after each major segment of it. So it's a basic Tantra tutorial.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's only the beginning.
That's just
Then there's 15 plus years of my podcast, which I have interviews with so many people. Some of you actually will be on that podcast.
Yeah.
And then there's Brianna and me doing Sex and Happiness Journey, which we did during COVID, and also the Ins and Outs of Sex, which was a 3-part quickie tutorial on like sex things. We have a part on sex toys, we have a part on kink, and we have a part on just taking shame away from sex and talking about sex overtly. And then there's what you and I are creating.
Extraordinary Lovers.
Yeah, there's a whole section on Extraordinary Lovers.
And so all of that comes together in one place, and we call it Laurie Handler's Inner Circle. So,
Yay.
So we have the Sex and Happiness area, the collection. There are many things. You've got learning, you've got podcasts, you've got movies that you can watch there. And then we have the Extraordinary Lovers area, and that area has also podcasts and all the work that we're doing, including being able to connect with former graduates. So if you're a graduate of the Extraordinary Lovers experience or of the retreat, if you're one of those, you're going to have access to all of that new content that we're making, because we're really committed to help couples to solve the problems that are so
rampant.
Yeah. What do we
Couples
say?
are an endangered species.
Ding. So we're going to be able to meet with you via Zoom once a week. Now it'll be myself and Laurie, but when Laurie's traveling, oftentimes she won't be able to make it. So we'll have myself and someone else, but you'll have a connection to us. And then also, one of the things that we're really looking forward to doing is being able to meet once a month with a couple who's struggling, to help them get over some of the things that are just got them stuck. And we call that relationship rescue. We're very excited about that.
Yeah, so we need you to volunteer.
Yes.
I wanted to say, what couple isn't having some challenges?
Mm-hmm.
Every couple is
We
having
have them.
challenges. We have them. We know you have them.
Yeah,
So we want to help you get through those.
absolutely.
So thank you so much for joining us. It warms my heart. It makes Michael super happy. This is Michael's project, and he has done a good job, better than good. You know how much he likes those words. So thank you. I love you. Thank you. I love you. And we can't wait to see you in our inner circle.